It's been time to change the rear struts on my 2010 Honda Accord Crosstour for quite a while now. I bought the struts some time ago from Amazon and had them sitting at the side. They were marked as OEM on the Amazon site, but they don't seem as beefy as the ones I have on now. The struts come compressed with a plastic band, so you'll have to cut that off. Just be careful as you're releasing the strut not to have it pointing at yourself or anything else you don't want damaged. You can use a narrow flat screwdriver to pull out the small tabs that are holding the old struts in place. The top tab is facing the outside of the car and the bottom tab is facing the inside. The tabs are very easy to pull out. It's taken me a little bit more time because I'm working with low light and it's a little hard to see. I propped up the trunk lid with my free hand, thinking that the other strut would hold it up. It became painfully apparent that it wouldn't, so I had to put the old strut back in place until I was ready with the new one. The instructions did say that it was a two-person job, and I'm starting to believe that's exactly what it is. If I had to do this all over again, I'd either have another person there or I'd prop up the trunk with a piece of wood or something. But since I'm already in the midst of it and I have the new strut ready and available, I popped it into position. But I don't want you to think that I went into this blind. I did replace my hood strut some time ago, and I was able to alternate from side to side without any problem. The same process is used for the other strut. In some of the videos that I've seen this done, they recommended that you open up the tabs on the new struts as well, but I found that problematic. You can keep the springs actually closed on the new struts and just pop it right into position. I knew it was time to replace the struts when it became more and more difficult to lift the lid, and it wouldn't stay up by itself at its highest point. I'm a pretty strong fellow, but I have to tell you that this lid is massively heavy. So I could imagine how much of a chore it would be for someone not as strong to be lifting this lid with old struts. With the last strut secured into position, it's time to give it a test spin. But first I'll put the trunk cover back into position. It's a little stiff at this point, but after a few opening and closings, I'm pretty sure it'll wear in. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and press the bell notification so you'll be notified when each new video is uploaded.